The shroud had been forged in France in the 14th century. Then only French and or Italian pollen would be found in the cloth. But his exhaustive analysis found 58 specific pollen. 17 of which were indigenous to Europe. The rest were from Palestine.
Get him, Samson.
The site of Edessa,
Go get it.
Constantinople. And this meant that the shroud had been as peaceful
Oscar's invincible inside his little house. Oh, don't call over.
The chicken.
Samson. Aw, he loves it.